In the intricate dance of attraction, catching the attention of that special someone can be both thrilling and challenging. Whether you've just met or have been eyeing someone from afar, there are subtle yet effective ways to make a lasting impression. In this video, we'll explore strategies and tips on how to get a guy to notice you, fostering the potential for a deeper connection. Confidence is key. Confidence is magnetic and serves as the foundation for any successful attempt to capture someone's attention. Stand tall, maintain eye contact, and smile genuinely. Embrace your uniqueness and let your authentic self shine through. Confidence not only makes you more attractive, but also signals to others that you are comfortable in your own skin. Dress to impress. Your style is an extension of your personality, and dressing well can significantly enhance your appeal. Find a balance between showcasing your personal style and dressing appropriately for the occasion. A well-thought-out outfit can communicate self-respect, confidence, and an understanding of social nuances. Spark conversations. Engaging in meaningful conversations is a powerful way to establish a connection. Ask open-ended questions that invite him to share more about himself. Show genuine interest in what he has to say, and actively listen. A conversation that flows naturally can leave a lasting impression and make you memorable. Be approachable. Creating an approachable aura can make it easier for him to initiate a conversation. Smile often, maintain open body language, and exude positive energy. Avoid appearing preoccupied with your phone or other distractions. Instead, be present in the moment and open to interaction. Find common interests. Discovering shared hobbies or interests can be a powerful bonding tool. Whether it's a love for a particular genre of music, a passion for hiking, or a shared interest in literature, common ground provides a natural platform for connection. Find opportunities to explore these interests together, fostering a deeper connection. Showcase your talents. People are naturally drawn to those who excel in their passions. Whether you're a skilled artist, a talented musician, or a passionate cook, showcasing your talents can pique his interest. Sharing your passions not only reveals more about your personality, but also creates opportunities for meaningful connections. Maintain a positive attitude. Positivity is contagious and can leave a lasting impression. Maintain an optimistic outlook, even in challenging situations. A positive attitude can create a pleasant atmosphere, making you someone he enjoys being around. Avoid negativity and drama, as these qualities can be a deterrent. Use body language to your advantage. Nonverbal cues can speak volumes. Subtle touches, maintaining eye contact, and mirroring body language can create a sense of connection. Be mindful of your gestures and expressions, as they can convey a lot about your feelings and intentions. Final thoughts. In the intricate dance of attraction, getting a guy to notice you involves a combination of confidence, genuine interest, and subtle yet effective strategies. By embracing your uniqueness, dressing well, sparking meaningful conversations, and maintaining a positive attitude, you can create a magnetic presence that leaves a lasting impression. Remember to showcase your talents, find common interests, and use body language to your advantage. Ultimately, the key is to be authentic and create opportunities for genuine connections to flourish. In the journey of getting noticed, confidence is your ally, and the art of conversation is your guide. Approach the process with authenticity, and you'll not only catch his eye, but also pave the way for meaningful connections to blossom. So go out there, be your amazing self, and let the magic unfold. If you enjoyed watching this video, then don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe.